Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin now, put on gloves and eye protection, and expose the clamp so you can see the ear or seam clearly. Once positioned, steady the hose with one hand and use long nose pliers or diagonal cutters to bite the raised ear or score the seam. This creates a controlled break. Make small, deliberate cuts. You are weakening the band, not ripping the hose. This first cut gives you leverage and prevents sudden slips that would damage the hose or nick fittings. Once done with the initial weakening, move around the clamp and make staged cuts or pries so the band opens evenly. Do not try to force one big tear. You then grab the opened lip with locking pliers and twist gently to widen the gap while supporting the hose with your other hand. Make sure to protect the rubber. Slip a flat screwdriver or thin shim between clamp and hose if the metal edge approaches the tube. This lets you slide the clamp off cleanly without deforming the hose. You finish by cleaning the mating surfaces and feeling for any sharp metal fragments. Wipe the hose and fitting with a clean rag, and replace the clamp using a proper replacement sized for the hose. Tighten gradually so the seal is secure but the tube is not crushed. If the clamp refuses to budge, go back to staged cuts or use a Dremel with a cut-off wheel carefully. Make sure to shield the hose from sparks and recheck for debris before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.